everybody, it's Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today is the day we're going to find out who my semi-finalist is from my channel. Just to remind everybody, the winner here is going to get a prize, and this lovely wrapped present is what is going to be coming in the mail. And I did use some nice boutique ribbons to wrap this with, and some mill yarn. So yes, novelty yarn can be used to wrap presents. Yet another awesome thing. So this is chock full of fun stuff for my winner. And also they're getting a card that says, "Congrats, semi-finalist winner from Affordably Crafty. P.S. I did not lick this envelope. Safety first, people." So I hope that all my new subscribers stick with me. After I announce who's won the semi-finalist spot on Dana's Wanderlust Crochet channel, I am going to be announcing on this video my next giveaway. So don't just click me off when I'm done putting who won the semi-finalist spot from my channel. If you're new here, my channel is all about learning how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty. And I do a lot of tutorials, tricks, tips. I've been posting at least a video a day. And right now I'm in the middle of my Yarnie Yule feature to get a head start on holiday projects. So, let's get into this. Do not click away after I announce the winner of my channel, because I will be talking about my next giveaway. You don't want to miss out. Alright, here we go. Let's see who won. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. 431 unique commenters. I'm using the YouTube random comment picker. Thank you for all those who are new to my channel and for everybody who has shared with their friends and liked and helped my channel to grow. I am very, very, very thankful. Alright, so let's see who is my hashtag Christmas in July Faries winner from my channel. Now, after I pick this name, I will be giving a prize personally, me, not sponsored by anybody, to the winner from my channel, and then I will be submitting that name to Dana. Okay, here we go. Ready? Oh, so exciting! Okay, here we go, guys. Yay! Congratulations, Barbara Wallace. She said, "Great, more channels to explore." Well, thank you so much for playing along, Barbara Wallace, and thank you to all my new subscribers. Barbara, I need you to email me at affordablycrafty@gmail.com to give me your information so I can get you your prize for me and pass on your information to Dana. Her drawing is happening on July 25th. I'm sure everybody will be watching. So I want to thank all my subscribers, and I am going to be doing my 500 subscriber giveaway. I am currently at 486. I am going to keep this giveaway open until July 31st, which is when I'll be announcing my next giveaway. So, what are we going to have in this 500 subscriber giveaway? Well, hopefully by then I'll have reached 500. I'm at 486 right now, so please share with your friends. Hit the like button and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any deals or fun things that I'm doing. So yeah, so in this 500 subscriber giveaway, we have a nice project bag that has a drawstring. Decently sized, nice soft cotton, machine washable, which is always a plus. We have a notions bag with a zipper that has awesome cats with glasses. Who doesn't love that? Then there are 2 magnetic bookmarks, relax and unwind, and some yarn balls with the kitty cat with the yarn. I have a notebook that has nice graph pages with dots, and at the bottom is a skein of yarn, and there's like, I don't know, maybe 70 pages in here. This is what the cover looks like. a pin, metal pin. This is the pin back that says, "Let's roll," with a nice ball of yarn here. Where's the other one? I don't know. Trust me, there's 2 pencils that are going to be in this. This one has kitty cat with a ball of yarn. Then we're going to have some nice grippy socks that say, "Too many whips, not enough time." And these are really comfy. Nice cotton. Should I do the shirt or the yarn next? Do the shirt first. So I get a large. It's the biggest size I could find. But I do like that it's a gender neutral shirt. Hot yarn. Awesome shirt. And now let's get to the Yarnie goodness. Again, this is my 500 subscriber giveaway, and it will be open until July 31st. Oops, I forgot these things. So these are 2 little tags. One says "Made with Love," and the other one says "Handmade," that are also going to be in there. So again, my 500 subscriber giveaway will be open until July 31st, 2020, and July 31st, 2020 is when I'm going to announce my next giveaway. So comment on this video, and then you'll be entered in comment and subscribe, and your subscriptions have to be public because I will check. And yeah, so let's talk about what yarn is in here. So we have to start Landscapes by Lion Brand in the color Rust. And this has a yardage of 147 yards. It's a 4-weight. So Landscapes in the color Rust. And this is 147 yards. It's a 4-weight. It feels very silky. It is 100% acrylic. It uses a 6.5 millimeter hook or a 6 millimeter knitting needle. And again, this is the color Rust. Then we have Landscapes in the color Pumpkin. And this is the same specs as the other one, 147 yards. Pretty orange color, and again, really silky soft. I love Landscapes. It's one of my favorite yarns. And then we have Landscapes in the color Ochre. O-C-R-E, am I saying that right? I don't know. And that again is 147 yards. Oh, but wait, there's more. Because you're going to get 2 of each. What? I know, right? Ooh, 2 of each. So that is 147 yards times 6. So that should be enough to make something autumnal. That's what I'm going to start working on probably next month. So that is a grand total of 887 yards. That's exciting. Check out my awesome hat. So I crocheted this based on a bag o' day tutorial. I will link it down below, but I did double up my yarn, used a bulkier weight, and kind of wanted to go for more of like a Seuss vibe. That's why it's kind of funkier. And I decorated with some novelty yarn. So this yarn is from the Dollar Tree. It's the Sachet from Red Heart Boutique with sequins. Then I have buttons for ornaments that I got on a Facebook Marketplace haul last summer. And then this is red and white pipe cleaners that I cut in half and made the crook around a crochet hook so that they're all the same size. Again, you could twist together a white and red pipe cleaner if you wanted to. And then up here on top, you guys see that, is the poof. This poof is from the Dollar Tree. This is Lion Brand. And it's got a elastic thing on the bottom. It was super easy to put on. It's not sewed. And this yarn is from my haul from the recent Spin Right sale that's still going on until the 18th. So it is Bernat Viva in the color Chartreuse, along with just some Red Heart Super Saver in like a pine color. And this was a buck a skein. and the Red Hot Super Saver was from my stash. So yeah, comment on this video, subscribe, have your notifications to public, and, you know, check out my videos, or at least join me back here on July 31st, 2020, where we'll find out who won. Have a creative day, everyone. Bye.